Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to verify a subcontractor in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In Xero, subcontractors are treated like suppliers or vendors. You can record payments to subcontractors by creating bills or expense claims for their services. When you receive an invoice from a subcontractor, you enter it as a bill in Xero, specifying the service details and any applicable VAT. Once the bill is approved, you can pay the subcontractor directly from Xero, which helps keep your expenses and accounts payable up to date. Additionally, Xero allows you to track and report on subcontractor expenses, making it easier to manage project costs and financial records. To verify a subcontractor under the construction industry scheme in Xero, you need to follow these steps. First, go to the contacts, then select all contacts, and then new contact. In new contact, enter the subcontractor's contact name. Optionally, add an account number if you use one. It's crucial to fill in the first name, last name, and email address of the primary contact person. This is important for sending the monthly statement of deductions to the subcontractor. If needed, add any other people or business information related to the subcontractor. Proceed to the Address tab to enter the subcontractor's address. Then move to the CIS Contact tab. Toggle CIS deductions to on. Ensure that the registered CIS name is correct as per the contractor's detail. You also need to enter the unique taxpayer reference and national insurance number. Once these fields are filled in, click Save Contact and verify CIS details. A summary box will appear showing the information entered. Review it to ensure accuracy. If everything is correct, proceed with the verification. Within a few seconds, you should receive confirmation that the subcontractor has been verified, and a verification number will appear in the relevant box. After verification, you can complete the remaining details in the contact section. Once all information is entered, click Save and Close. And that's pretty much all about how you can verify a subcontractor in Xero. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.